All right, guys. So we just did question number 5, and this is the question that throws kids off a little bit. They're like, wait a minute, that doesn't make sense. It does when I explain it. All right. So we asked which is not a major cause for population explosion, and the answer is actually an increase in birth rates. That sounds weird. So a decrease in death rates rather than an increase in birth rates are a major cause of our population explosion over the last 200 years. We also have had improved nutrition and sanitation. A general rule in history and science, in the social sciences, is the more food you have, the more people you're going to have. All right. So, and of course, the cleaner that you live, the longer people are going to be, or the cleaner the place you live, the longer people are going to live. And then any advances in medicine and agriculture are super important to our population. But let's get back to that idea of have we not had an increase in our birth rates? So this is where Miss Kaluza having a whiteboard would really come in handy, but I don't have that right now. Okay, so when the population starts off, we start with our couples right here. And each couple, so early on, everybody's like, you're going to have a ton of kids, right? Okay, so a lot of kids, a lot of kids, a lot of kids. All right, see that? But we know that some of those babies were going to die off if you don't have great sanitation, if you don't have great health care, or maybe even enough food. So we know that these guys are going to die, and this one's going to die, and that one's going to die. Again, a whiteboard would be fabulous. Okay, so you see that? So now we got these people here. Now these people are going to have, so they've got a couples here, you got couples here, all right? Now they're going to have babies. They're going to stay on that same path. We know they're going to have a ton of babies, right? And a couple of them are going to make it. Maybe not all of them. All right. So we still got a lot of people going in here now. Our next one, we will know that these guys are not going to have as many children. Okay. But even if all these people decide they are not going to have a whole lot of kids, they're only going to have 2. Look at that population, though. They're only having 2, maybe 3. Okay. That's still a huge number of people that are being born, even though those birth rates are going down. So even if we went to the next level and said, all right, this couple here, they're only going to have 1. This one's not going to have any. This one's going to stick to they're all just going to stick to that, 2 kids rule. All right. That one's not going to have any 2 kids. Yeah, I know. I need a whiteboard. 2 kids, no kids, 2 kids. But see, even though they're only having 2 kids, they are still that population is still increasing. So our birth rate is going down because they're not having as many babies, but our population is going up because now these babies down here have access to better health care. They have access to clean water, more food. The agriculture is in high production because now these people, like I said, have food. All right, so that's how a decrease in birth rates and makes us continue to grow, even though we're having fewer children. Hope that makes sense. I think I'm going to go to Walmart and get a whiteboard here pretty soon. All right. So I hope that helped explain that one.